Most people think cybersecurity works. It doesn't. It produces output, dashboards, alerts, blocks. That looks like security. Simple. But that's not how it works. That's how it looks. Because behind every alert, behind every dashboard, behind every blocked threat, there's a system. A system most people never see. And if you don't understand that system, you're not doing security. You're reacting to it. Here's the part no one explains. Cybersecurity is not built on tools. It's built on decisions. Every second, your environment generates signals. Login attempts, device activity, network traffic, application behavior. Thousands, sometimes millions. But signals don't protect anything. They're just noise until something interprets them. So the real question isn't, what tools do you have? It's, where are decisions made? Because this is how cybersecurity actually works. Step 1. Signals. Everything starts here. Every action in your environment produces data, a login request, a file download, a connection attempt. Each one becomes a signal, but on their own, signals don't mean anything. Step 2. Identity. Who is making the request? A user, a service account, a device, or something pretending to be one? Because in modern environments, identity is the new perimeter. Not location, not network. Identity. Step 3. And this is where most security systems collapse. Context. This is where most systems fail. Because a login is not just a login. It matters where it came from, what device was used, what time it happened, what behavior came before it. Same action, different context, completely different risk. But most tools don't see context, they see events. Step 4. Decision. This is the core of cybersecurity. A system evaluates identity, device, behavior, risk, and asks one question. Does this make sense? Not, is this allowed? But, should this be allowed right now? That difference is everything. Because attackers don't break rules. They follow them, better than you. Step 5. Enforcement. Once a decision is made, something has to act. Allow it, block it, challenge it, limit it. And this must happen in real time. Not later, not in a report, not on a dashboard. In the moment. Step 6. Feedback. Every decision feeds the system. Behavior changes. Attackers adapt. Environments evolve. So the system must learn, continuously. Signals, identity, context, decision, enforcement, feedback. That's cybersecurity. Not tools, not dashboards, not alerts. A system that decides. Once you see this, everything changes. You stop asking, what tools should we buy? And start asking, where does our architecture make decisions? Because that's where security actually lives. And that's why most organizations struggle. Not because they lack tools, but because they lack architecture. Next, we break down how these decision systems are actually built, how Zero Trust fits into this model, and why most implementations fail. Subscribe to CyberTechHaus, because cybersecurity isn't about tools. It's about understanding the system behind them.